Hello everyone, welcome back to the next part of Surface Chemistry. I am Sujata Garg. In our today's video, we shall discuss about catalysis. What is catalysis? Firstly, we should know what is catalyst. Catalysts are the substances that can accelerate the rate of a reaction. ऐसे substances जो किसी reaction के rate को accelerate कर देते हैं but themselves remains unchanged, लेकिन खुद वो क्या रहते हैं, unchanged रहते हैं, क्वांटिटेटिवली भी और केमिकली भी. उस तरह के जो सब्सटेंसेस होते हैं उन सब्सटेंसेस को हम क्या कहते हैं, कैटलिस्ट्स. द सब्सटेंसेस दैट कैन accelerate the rate of a reaction but themselves remain chemically and quantitatively inactive are called catalysts. The substances that can accelerate the rate of a reaction but themselves remain chemically and quantitatively inactive are called catalysts, and such type of processes that are carried out by catalysts are known as catalysis. For example, we can take any reaction whatever, as like inversion of sugarcane. In the inversion of sugarcane, we use invertase that changes sugarcane into glucose and fructose. Here invertase is a catalyst. Now let us discuss two more terms. These are promoters and poisons. What are promoters and poisons? The substances that increase the rate of a reaction, that enhances the rate of a reaction, that are called promoters. That enhances the rate of reaction or increase the rate of reaction are called promoters. But the substances that decrease the rate of reaction, that are called poisons. For example, in the formation of ammonia in Haber's process. In Haber's process, what is the phenomena? N2 plus 3H2 equals to 2NH3 by the addition of N2 and H2 in the presence of molybdenum. Here molybdenum is a promoter that enhances the rate of a reaction. Understand? Now let us discuss the classification of catalysis. Next one is classification of catalysis. Catalysis can be classified on two bases. What are these two bases? First is homogeneous catalysis and second one is heterogeneous catalysis. Then what is the difference between homogeneous and heterogeneous? In the earlier classes you have read these words, homogeneous and heterogeneous, you are familiar with them. But now we have the process of catalysis. What is the difference in homogeneous and heterogeneous catalysis? The reactions in which reactant and catalyst both are in the same phase. When reactant and catalysts both are in the same phase, that type of reaction is called homogeneous catalysis. But if reactant and catalysts are not in same phase, that is called heterogeneous catalysis. एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं. ओके, एग्जाम्पल है जैसे होमोजीनियस कैटालिसिस के अंदर द ऑक्सीडेशन ऑफ SO2 into SO3. If SO2 plus O2 forms SO3, in the presence of nitric oxide, then SO2 is in gas phase, O2 is also in gas phase, and nitric oxide is also in gas phase. Then sulfur dioxide, oxygen and nitric oxide all are in the gas phase, that are they are in the same phase, that is homogeneous catalysis. But in case of heterogeneous catalysis, हेट्रोजीनियस कैटालिसिस के केस में जब हम SO2 को रिएक्ट करते हैं O2 से और फॉर्मेशन वही कर रहे हैं SO3 की, बट इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ PT, दैट इज सॉलिड. SO2 इज गैस, O2 is also gas, but PT is solid. Both are in the different phase, not in the same phase. That is a type of heterogeneous catalysis. Okay. Now let us discuss adsorption theory of heterogeneous catalysis. What is that adsorption theory? जो हमने पुरानी थ्योरी पढ़ी थी उसमें हमने क्या पढ़ा था कि एड्जॉर्बेंट जो होता है वो एड्जॉर्बेंट के सरफेस पर एड्जॉर्ब हो जाता है. जितना ज़्यादा एड्जॉर्बेंट के सरफेस पर एड्जॉर्ब होता है उतनी ज़्यादा एड्जॉर्प्शन की प्रोसेस क्या होती है, इंक्रीज़ होती है. जितना ज़्यादा सरफेस एरिया होता है उतना ही ज़्यादा एड्जॉर्प्शन होता है. लेकिन उसके बाद में जो नई थ्योरी आई उसमें वो जो है ओल्ड थ्योरी का और इंटरमीडिएट थ्योरी का. इंटरमीडिएट थ्योरी क्या कहती है कि जब भी कोई कैटलिस्ट आकर किसी एड्जॉर्बेंट के सरफेस से अटैच होता है तो वो उसके बीच में क्या बना देता है, एक इंटरमीडिएट बना देता है. तो जो ओल्ड थ्योरी थी और इंटरमीडिएट थ्योरी थी उन दोनों के कॉम्बिनेशन से क्या बनाई गई, मॉडर्न थ्योरी. दैट इज़ द थ्योरी ऑफ एड्जॉर्प्शन ऑफ हेट्रोजीनियस कैटालिसिस. एड्जॉर्प्शन थ्योरी ऑफ हेट्रोजीनियस कैटालिसिस क्या डिफाइन करती है? फर्स्ट इज डिफ्यूजन ऑफ रिएक्टेंट नियर द सरफेस ऑफ कैटालिस्ट. सेकेंड, एड्जॉर्प्शन ऑफ रिएक्टेंट ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ कैटालिस्ट. थर्ड, फॉर्मेशन ऑफ इंटरमीडिएट बाय अकरेंस ऑफ केमिकल रिएक्शन ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ कैटालिस्ट. नेक्स्ट इज डिसॉर्प्शन ऑफ इंटरमीडिएट टू कैरी आउट एड्जॉर्प्शन अगेन. And last one, diffusion of product away from the surface of catalyst. अब इसको समझेंगे कैसे आप? As like diffusion of reactant, ये हमारे पास एक कैटलिस्ट है. in which there are some active sites. Firstly, we have two reactants A and B. When they comes in contact of this catalyst, they get attached on these two sides. One is on this side and second is on this side. Now formation of intermediate takes place. इंटरमीडिएट की फॉर्मेशन किस तरह से होती है कि ये दो जो अटैच हुए हैं इनके बीच में बॉन्ड की फॉर्मेशन होती है. देन द प्रोसेस इज लाइक दिस. नेक्स्ट वन इज डिजॉर्प्शन ऑफ इंटरमीडिएट टू कैरी आउट एड्जॉर्प्शन अगेन। फिर इस इंटरमीडिएट का क्या होता है, डिजॉर्प्शन होता है ताकि दोबारा से एड्जॉर्प्शन के प्रोसेस को कैरी आउट किया जा सके, और ये कैटलिस्ट के सरफेस से क्या होता है, अलग हो जाता है। This is the adsorption theory of heterogeneous catalysis. Now we have the last term, enzyme catalysis. What is enzyme catalysis? The last term is enzyme catalysis. What is enzyme catalysis? The life processes that are carried out in the body of plants and animals by the presence of enzymes or catalysts, that is known as enzyme catalysis. The life processes that carry out in the body of animals and plants by enzymes. These are known as enzyme catalysis, and these type of catalysts that carry out such type of reactions are called biochemical catalysts. Okay, now we have discussed our complete topic of catalysis. In our next video we shall discuss about colloids, so keep watching. Thank you.